I was body surfing down at the ocean, Ocean City, and long story short, the waves decided to slam me down into the ground as I was body surfing, and lo and behold, found out I had a partially torn rotator cuff. I was in about 2 feet of water. As you body surf, I came right into the shore, and what happened was a secondary wave just came over the top of me, and my arms were already extended, and it just slammed me straight down onto the sand. I let it go. I was told there wasn't very much that can be done. I came in within a few short months on the recommendation of my primary care physician. I was told to come to the facility here, and specifically to see Dr. Pervaiz. He recommended that we just work in a therapy-related course of action, and we kind of let it go. Earlier last year, around January, it began to gradually get a little worse to the point where it kept me up at night, and the pain was a little bit more constant. Coming back in to see Dr. Pervaiz, he had some MRIs and some other work done, and we realized that it was fairly well torn at this point and was going to require surgery. The actual day of the surgery came. Of course, it helps to follow the instructions of what you're supposed to do, which I did, but the entire procedure was fantastic. During the subsequent couple of months after that, we began physical therapy immediately, within 2 weeks. OACM had opened a facility in Jessup, Maryland. Personally, I live in Laurel, so this was a very convenient facility for me, and began to, just to attend those sessions down there. Got on the schedule and went through the rehab in conjunction with Dr. Pervaiz, and had a fantastic, very enjoyable, if you can use the word for physical therapy. It was very enjoyable. I had my final visit with Dr. Pervaiz back in early February. He said my shoulder's 100% healed at this point.